Magandang araw sa lahat. If you are a complainant or a plaintiff in a civil case or a civil action, and that the court rendered a decision in your favor, and that the losing party did not file a motion for reconsideration, did not file a motion to reopen the trial, or did not file a notice of appeal within the period within which to appeal, and thus the decision becomes final and executory. What would be your next remedy? Well, under the rules of court, your remedy is to file a motion for the issuance of a writ of execution. The motion for the issuance of a writ of execution should be filed within 5 years from the date of entry of the judgment in court. And if you were unable to file the motion for the issuance of a writ of execution within the period of 5 years, then your next remedy is to file an action for the revival of the judgment. It should be filed in the court that rendered the decision, and that the action for revival shall be filed within 10 years from the entry of judgment. And after the lapse of the 10-year period, the decision which is in your favor can no longer be executed. It cannot be enforced anymore because of prescription under the Civil Code of the Philippines. A judgment which has not been executed after the lapse of 10 years, the decision prescribed, and thus it cannot be executed anymore. So you have to file, the best way is you have to file a motion for the issuance of a writ of execution within 5 years from the date of entry of the judgment. But why this topic? Well, yesterday and just this morning, I was consulted on this. And in fact, I was furnished a copy of the decision, a dispositive portion of the decision, rendered by the court. Which court? The Court of First Instance, now the Regional Trial Court. The decision was dated April 1972. So I asked, what happened? Well, because of several explanations, the decision was not executed. So the question is, can such decision still be executed? No more, because of prescription. Nakakalungkot kasi binasa ko naman yung decision, yung dispositive portion, pabor naman sa plaintiff. Pero bakit hindi naman na-execute? So sa madaling salita, panalo na, naging baliwala, naging hangin. Tuloy yung panalo because of failure to execute the judgment. Right? So, sayang yon. So, sana lingkod itong aming tanggapan para sa
kaalaman ng mamamayang Pilipino sa larangan ng batas. Maraming salamat. Magandang araw sa lahat.